Let's make quick and tasty egg sandwich using a sandwich maker. Start with chopping one mild green chili. This sandwich is perfect for breakfast or a quick snack and takes just a few minutes. Chop around 2 tablespoons of tomatoes. Cut to boiled eggs. Remove the egg yolks. You can keep it if you like egg yolks in this recipe. Chop the egg whites. Take for bread slices. Spread the margarine or softened butter on one side of each slice. Choose whole wheat bread if you like. Place bread slices on the sandwich maker. Buttered side up. Sprinkle chopped egg white evenly on both slices. Sprinkle chopped tomatoes. Sprinkle green chilies. Lastly, some salt and black pepper. Now place the second slice of bread on top, buttered side down. Close the sandwich maker gently. It will take 3 to 5 minutes to cook. Open the sandwich maker carefully and take out the sandwich. Look at that, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. Separate the triangles. Serve it hot with ketchup and sauce of your choice. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.